For decades, expedition vehicles have been the go-to adventure rigs, but today's models take toughness and off-road performance to the next level. Get ready as I unveil the ultimate machines built for epic journeys. Buckle up. This is going to be an exciting ride. Leading our lineup is the Burlac, a formidable machine designed for the most extreme adventures. Built to tackle the harshest terrains and endure Arctic conditions, this all-terrain giant features an advanced 8-ace wheel configuration for unmatched stability and mobility. Its massive tires and 75 to 80 cm ground clearance make navigating obstacles effortless. Priced at $400,000, the Burl offers incredible value for its rugged capabilities. Despite weighing 8 tons, it can carry an additional 5 tons, ensuring ample space for extended expeditions. Inside, it comfortably seats 9 passengers in a cozy, home-like interior. With a cruising range exceeding 200 km and a top speed of 70 km/h, this powerhouse is built to conquer the world's toughest landscapes. Looking for a luxury expedition vehicle that combines style and functionality with a price tag of $200, $700, the Otag 620 ZRO's luxury edition elevates the base model with unmatched sophistication. Its eye-catching design combines an aluminum body with a distinctive crawler setup exuding both elegance and durability. Built for long-distance travel, this lightweight structure allows for extensive interior customization. Inside, the OTU 620 features windows with fly screens and curtains, compact laminate walls, and static powder-coated storage units. The ceiling is equipped with ceramic-based heat insulation and advanced soundproofing for enhanced comfort. Premium amenities include an automatic wooden table, a lockable side navigation cover, a Thetford 3-burner stove, and a cassette toilet. For year-round usability, Trimasi diesel heating is installed, while the electrical system consists of dual Victron, 220 AM batteries, a Kier's charging system, and optional 325W solar panels for seamless off-grid adventures. Introducing the Roamer ROSX, a game-changing expedition vehicle, redefining mobile luxury and catching the attention of celebrities like Aquaman. Built to conquer the toughest terrains with ease, it boasts cutting-edge features and customizable exteriors, setting a new benchmark for off-road exploration. With advanced traction control and exceptional ground clearance, it delivers outstanding performance in snowy conditions, ensuring a smooth and secure ride in even the harshest winters. Step inside and you're greeted by pure luxury, rich brown leather, seating, refined wood accents, and top-tier amenities that create a true home on wheels. The kitchen is so impressive that even Gordon Ramsay would approve. Designed to accommodate 6, it features a spacious shower and automated steps embodying the comfort of a 5-star hotel on the move. With a price tag of $1 million, the Roamer ROSX is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of adventure, elegance, and uncompromising comfort. Music, meet the Unidon Discovery X, an elite overlanding rig built on the rugged Mercedes-Benz Z-Tris platform. Priced at $500,000, this powerhouse is designed for adventurers who demand both luxury and off-grid capability. With 770 L of water and 1,300 watts of solar power, it lets you tackle rough terrain without sacrificing comfort. Its robust drivetrain and high ground clearance ensure outstanding traction in snowy conditions, while a 2,000-kilometer range allows access to the most remote destinations. Built with military-grade durability, the Zetros chassis guarantees reliability in any environment. Inside, the Discovery X offers a fully equipped kitchen with hot and cold water induction cooktops and an oven plus a queen-size bed and a full bathroom, providing a home-like experience no matter where the road takes you. The Tatra Phoenix motorhome redeems luxury expedition travel with its unmatched durability and premium features. Built on the rugged Tatra Phoenix Euro 6 chassis, this is no ordinary camper. Its powerful 666 drive Z-Fraxon 16-speed transmission and 2-speed transfer case ensure effortless navigation through the toughest terrains. With a price tag of around $800,000, it perfectly blends off-road capability with high-end comfort. Under the hood, a Packer Max 11 engine delivers 449 horsepower balancing power with efficiency. Stay connected anywhere with dual long-range Evolution antennas and Apple HomeKit integration. For eco-friendly adventurers, 2000 WP Peak solar panels provide sustainable off-grid living. Inside, the spacious cabin boasts an electric oven, a fridge with freezer, an induction stove, and plenty of storage. Whether embarking on an extended journey or transporting mountain bikes, the Tatra Phoenix motorhome offers the ultimate luxury escape into the wild. What if you could explore the most remote corners of the world without sacrificing comfort? The Azimut Tapoule delivers exactly that. Built on the tough Mitsubishi Fuso Canare 4x4, this off-road box truck camper combines rugged durability with smart engineering. It boasts a 175 horsepower turbo diesel engine, upgraded suspension, all-terrain wheels, and dual winches for tackling any terrain. Inside its 108 FT interior is thoughtfully designed, featuring a retractable dining table, a granite counter kitchen, a skylit sleeping area, and a versatile bathroom that expands into a full-width bath with a separate shower and toilet. Perfect for off-grid adventures, it includes a 1-watt solar system, 300L water storage, a backup generator, and satellite Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. With a base price of $253,712 plus optional upgrades like an outdoor kitchen and a 270-degree awning, the Azimut isn't just a camper, it's the ultimate self-sufficient escape. Check out the Rossmon Baja truck camper. Featuring an innovative actuating topper, this camper boasts a sleek, low-profile design that enhances stability, making it ideal for off-grid expeditions. Priced at $448,000, it's built to tackle rugged terrain with ease. While its compact shell minimizes sway for a smoother ride, even on windy roads with excellent traction and all-terrain capabilities, it's well-suited for snowy conditions too. The insulated pass-through ensures seamless communication, whether you're enjoying a podcast or chatting with friends. Inside, you'll find a cozy, queen-size cab-over bed, a convertible dinette for extra sleeping space, and a fully equipped kitchen. The Rossmon Baja perfectly blends adventure with home-like comfort, making it an excellent companion for your next epic journey. Get ready to discover one of the ultimate off-road adventure vehicles. The Unimog-based camper truck, starting at approximately $439,000. Designed to conquer the harshest terrains, it features an Australian double triangulation platform that delivers outstanding stability and performance. Its lightweight yet tough aluminum cabin ensures excellent fuel and energy efficiency, allowing you to stay off the grid longer. Built for durability, the rig has reinforced corners and a 2-layer polyester and aluminum construction to withstand even the toughest conditions. Customize it with options like induction hobs, a water filtration system, and a robust solar setup for off-the-beaten-path exploration. Inside, you'll find a fixed-bed kitchen, dinette, and plenty of storage, ensuring comfort even in remote locations. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended expedition, this camper truck is ready for any adventure. Looking for the perfect overlanding vehicle? Introducing the GXV Epic. Built on the rugged Kenworth K370 chassis and powered by a Cummins 6.7L diesel engine, paired with an Allison 3500 HD transmission, this powerhouse features Storyteller's exclusive 4x4 conversion, making it ready for any adventure. Equipped with King Shock's Alcoa rims and 44-inch Goodyear tires, it's engineered to tackle the toughest terrains. With an impressive 200-gallon diesel tank, the GXV Epic offers an incredible range of up to 1,800 miles on a single fill-up. Priced at $696,397. This is a serious investment, but its unmatched capabilities and luxurious features are well worth it. Inside, you'll find a queen-size mattress, a skylight for stargazing, a fully equipped kitchen with a marine-grade fridge, dual burner cooktop, and convection microwave oven, plus a full bathroom and even a washer-dryer. The GXV Epic isn't just a vehicle, it's a true mobile oasis for the ultimate adventurer. Let's explore the incredible world of off-road expedition vehicles with the Ieko Daily 4x4 camper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your ticket to unforgettable wilderness experiences. Equipped with rugged super single wheels, factory-installed differential locks, and a high low-range transfer case, it's designed to tackle any terrain. Inside, you'll discover SLRV's signature open layout, which offers a surprisingly spacious and luxurious interior. It comes with electric beds, a fully equipped kitchen, featuring an induction cooktop and convection oven, and even a washer-dryer for long-term travel. Priced around $400,000, it also includes satellite TV, mobile internet, and a state-of-the-art water system for optimal storage and efficiency. Ideal for extended off-grid exploration, the daily 4x4 camper ensures unparalleled comfort during your remote adventures. Meet the Earth Cruiser Explorer, an exceptional vehicle built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz. Imagine setting off on an adventure where every road leads to new discoveries. With 300 horsepower and an impressive range of up to 3,500 km, this is more than just a vehicle. It's a luxurious escape into nature. Equipped with a groundbreaking Variant system and designed for the toughest environments, the Earth Cruiser guarantees both safety and comfort throughout your journey. Inside, it combines rugged durability with elegance. Featuring a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and state-of-the-art technology managed via an iPad touchscreen. Priced at $700,000, the Earth Cruiser Explorer conquers any terrain from frozen tundras to scorching deserts, elevating off-road exploration and adventure travel. It's not just a motorhome, it's your ticket to endless exploration and unforgettable experiences. Have you ever imagined the perfect adventure vehicle? The SLRV Commander 4x4 Expedition Vehicle is your ultimate adventure partner. Equipped with the renowned MAN four-wheel drive system, this vehicle effortlessly tackles any terrain while offering a luxurious home on the go. Its advanced four-wheel drive system paired with snow-ready tires ensures it's ready for even the harshest winter conditions, so your adventures can continue without a hitch. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior with the option of an electric king bed or a queen in a lounge area that comfortably seats up to 6. The fully equipped galley kitchen featuring premium meal appliances lets you prepare gourmet meals, no matter where you are. Priced around $960,000, this vehicle also includes a rear-end suite with a separate shower and toilet offering all the comforts of home while on the road. Additionally, the enclosed garage provides plenty of storage for gear, like mountain bikes, making packing a breeze. With options like an induction cooktop washer-dryer and satellite TV, the SLRV Commander turns your travels into luxurious adventures. All right, folks, let's dive into the ultimate mobile retreat, a breathtaking 23FT vehicle designed for unmatched comfort and security. Built with a sturdy frame and insulated fiberglass panels, it offers reliable protection in any weather. The heavy-duty double-sealed doors are equipped with anti-theft hinges and remote-controlled central locking for added safety. Enjoy stunning views on the go through panoramic windows with mosquito nets and a lift roof hatch. Inside, you'll find a spacious U-shaped seating area that comfortably seats 5 to 7 people, complete with a rotatable, electrically adjustable table. The double bed provides top-tier comfort with a suspension system ventilation and a luxurious mattress. Priced at $500,000, this dream vehicle also features a kitchen with a teak countertop, Melee induction, cooker oven, and fridge freezer. The elegant bathroom boasts a Varicore wash, basin, porcelain toilet teak flooring with underfloor heating and a separate shower room with a towel radiator and folding teak seat. Every piece of furniture is meticulously crafted from wood-core plywood teak edges and Alcantara paneling. With ample storage space, this vehicle is the perfect companion for your adventures. The Ieko Euro Cargo, expertly transformed by Southern Africa road trippers, stands as a formidable expedition vehicle. This 15-ton truck is powered by a 240-horsepower 6L diesel engine driving all 4 wheels. It's equipped with front center and rear differential locks plus a 2-speed transfer case, making it ready for the toughest off-road challenges. Built for winter travel, its robust design and advanced traction systems perform exceptionally well in snow, ensuring a safe journey in even the harshest conditions. With dual 580L diesel tanks, it offers a remarkable range of up to 2,000 km. The exterior boasts a custom AeroKit aluminum storage boxes and a large awning for outdoor living. While the price hasn't been officially confirmed, it's estimated to be around $300. Inside, you'll find a luxurious interior with sleek cabinetry, leather seating teak floors, and a fully equipped kitchen that includes a stove oven and coffee station. The spacious bedroom and generous storage provide comfort even in the most remote locations.